Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm excited to talk about a product I've been wanting to test out for a while now. I finally got my hands on it, the PSP HDMI cable for the PSP 2000 and PSP 3000 handheld console. And before we get started, if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing as I do all sorts of different guides, unboxings, and reviews, updates on the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads in the future. Thank you. I picked this up to see if it would work with my Elgato capture card, making content creation easier by allowing me to screen record my PSP directly. I ordered this from Amazon and it arrived in just a couple days. If you're interested in the same one, I'll have an affiliate link in the description down below. Keep in mind that if you use my link, I do earn a small commission and I truly appreciate your support. According to the product page, this cable features HD link technology, which converts and upscales the component signals from the PSP 2000 and 3000 into digital HDMI output for the modern HD TVs, monitors, and projectors. Setup is super simple. It's essentially plug and play with well-prepared cables. It also has a detachable design allowing you to swap in higher-end HDMI cables if needed, which is a really nice touch. So included is the device, a micro USB cable for powering the device on, and an HDMI cable to connect it to a monitor, a TV, or a capture card. And it's very easy to set up. For my LG HD TV, I simply connected the USB cable into the USB port on the back of my LG TV and connected the HDMI to the HDMI port 1. You'll have to go into your PSP settings under display and change the output. On your PSP, under the settings, you want to go to the connected display settings. And your first option is switch video output. You want to press X. And you want to make sure that your TV type is set to 16:9 and your component and D terminal output is interlaced and the flicker reduction is turned on. You can always tweak these settings to see what works best for you. I first tested this on my LG HD TV in the living room and the upscale looked fantastic. Even though the image wasn't full screen, it still looked pretty solid and sharp, but my TV's 120Hz refresh rate may have helped improve the experience as well. While playing some of my favorite PSP titles, I didn't notice any lag. Everything was responsive and smooth. The cable length is also pretty generous, allowing me to sit comfortably on the couch while gaming.
Press the X button while crouching to do a high jump. Press L button and R button and the X button while running to do a long jump. Press L button and R button and the X button while press select to enter first person mode. Aim and fire the target on the gate to open it.
Now here's where things got a little tricky. When I connected the cable to my Elgato capture card, I ran into terrible fuzziness on the screen, sitting at 720p. I know that if the power supply for the PSP is attached or the PSP battery is low, this can sometimes happen. But in my case, I wasn't plugged in and my battery was at 90%. So I suspected that the Elgato software might be the culprit, since it's been giving me issues lately. Interestingly, when I streamed with this setup a few weeks ago, I didn't experience any of these problems. Now, another cool feature of this adapter is the display mode switch, which lets you toggle between menu mode and game mode. Game mode looks great for playing PSP titles, but menu mode is better suited for navigating the XMB, playing music, or viewing photos. If you leave game mode on, the menu gets significantly cut off, so I'd only recommend using it while gaming. I also tested the cable with my Asus Gundam monitor, and surprisingly the results weren't as good as with my LG TV. There was some inconsistencies. Some days the picture was great, while other times I experienced the same fuzziness. I suspect the included HDMI cable might not be high quality enough to handle the signal properly. At one point, I accidentally moved the HDMI cable while setting it up and noticed the fuzziness disappeared. After wiggling the connection a bit, I realized the cable might have been loose, which isn't great. This could mean the issue lies with either the cable or the device itself. Unfortunately, I didn't have a spare HDMI cable on hand to test further, but I'll continue experimenting. Overall, for $29.99, this is a solid pickup if you're looking for an easy way to play your PSP on a modern display. However, it does have some flaws and I'll keep searching for the best HDMI converter for the PSP. Have you tried a different PSP HDMI adapter that you'd recommend? Or what do you think about the picture quality from my PSP in this video? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy gaming.